Namaskar. In the series of the real stories of realization, here I come with a story of well-known Kathak dancer of Pune, Astha Godbole Karlekar. There are certain times in the life when it is not necessary that you have to introspect and realize certain things. There are certain external forces which makes you realize certain facts and certain strengths of you. As we have seen in a story from Ramayana, that Hanuman was not remembering his capabilities, his strengths and abilities, or maybe power. It was Jambuvant who made him realize about the strength, power and conviction that Hanuman has. And then we can see there are multiple stories in Ramayana filled with power, strength and capabilities of Hanuman later on post this realization. Something happened similar in life of Astha. Astha was brought up in Indore, staying with her parents, and her father was a well-known medical practitioner, Dr. Uday Kumar Balakrishna Godbole, a well-known medical practitioner in Indore. Astha about to complete her 10th, and then it was just like any other human being or a person in India. She got influenced with influenced with the surrounding, and then thought of taking science as her mainstream post 10th. She expressed this thing to her father. Her father informed her with this small insight, and then which turned Astha's life. Her father said that, do you want to become practitioner like me, medical practitioner like me, who is sitting in 10 by 10 room and then healing or maybe curing diseases of few people? Or do you want to become a healer for the soul, and where entire universe is going to become your clinic? You have been learning Kathak as an art. It heals mind, body and soul of other people. Now it is up to you, which room do you want to take, 10 by 10 or the entire universe? Which made a profound thinking in the mind of Astha, and she took Kathak as her prominent or maybe major arts as her major stream. She became well known in Indore. She started performing, and then later on she became very famous in Indore. It was after 12th she had to decide what has to be done with her learning ahead. She wanted to pursue her studies in Indore. That time again her father, Dr. Uday Kumar Balakrishna Godbole, informed her, do you want to make your career within the limits of your own or known people within Indore? Or do you want to uproot yourself and learn greater things outside Indore? It is again your decision what you are going to think about and what you are going to decide. Which made again one more turning point in Astha's life, and she uprooted herself from the comfort zone of Indore and she came to Goa for learning theatres. And the story continues, and then Astha is one of the best Kathak dancer, or one of the famous Kathak personalities in Pune, in Indore, in India and outside India. She has been performing, teaching all across the globe, and her healing is not only limited to Pune, Indore, India. It has gone outside India. She has been teaching to many people outside India, Russia, Europe or maybe America. And she is also helping other people to understand the depth of the art and how to take this art ahead. These are certain points where we realize about our life, our strengths, our power, but someone needs to be the force who is going to push you, and then push you to go ahead and go beyond your potential and learn bigger things about the life, and express it to everyone. It is not only about living your own life, but then it is about how you are pushing your own life and utilizing those learnings for others. Dr. Uday Kumar Balakrishna Godbole has done these things again and again in Astha's life. And then we see Astha's career growth, and then her expansion is beyond what she was thinking when she was young. Let me know, how do you find this series of stories, real stories of realization? And also, if you want to share your story with me, I am very happy. I am continuing this series with other stories which I have received. But if you want to share your story with me and I want to narrate it for you, I am there for you. Please give me feedback about this series, or maybe the entire Rukh-e-Hayat, the own area of life with different perspective. Thank you so much. Shukriya and Dhanyavad.